Can you believe we are already on week 8 of digital learning? We have this full week and next full week, and then you guys are that much closer to being first graders. I am so excited. Well, this week we're going to take a little bit of a look back to our problem solving that we were doing earlier in digital learning. We are going to step it up. You are going to have 2 problems to work on today. So we'll do this one together, and then you'll have 2 problems to work on your own. We'll do that twice this week. Next week, we have a couple addition subtraction games. And then boys and girls, you guys are done. We are so close. So let's jump into it for today. So today we have our problem. And remember, the very first step that we're going to do is just read the problem and think about what's being said to us. 9 whales swim in the sea. 3 whales are black. The rest are white. How many are white? All right, now this time we're going to read it one more time, but we are going to circle the important information. Are you ready again? All right, we have 9. Oops. Let's get this to work right. 9 whales. We know that 3 of our whales are black and the rest are white. How many are white? Ooh, this is a tricky one. So let's start by making our whales. And remember, when we're doing math drawings, what do we use? That's right, we use circles and sticks, sometimes squares, because we don't want to spend a lot of time drawing a perfect picture of a whale. Because this isn't art class with Miss Neergarth, this is math class, and what we're trying to do is solve the problem. So let's draw our 9 whales. I'm going to draw circles. Hopefully you have a paper and pencil with you, and you can draw with me. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 whales. Now, if I come right here to my second sentence, it says, my gracious, 3 whales are black. So I'm going to use my black crayon because I can do that. But you can also just use your pencil if you have a pencil. And let's color in 3 of them so we know that 3 of them are black. Ready? Let's color them in. 1, 2, 3. 3 of those are black. And it says down here, the rest are white. Well, let's count how many are white. So I'm going to use my pencil and I'm going to number them so we know how many are white. Let's number them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them are white. So down here at the bottom it says, how many are white? What's your answer? Hopefully you said 6 because we counted 6 white ones up at the top. So let's write a number 6 because we know 6 are white. Excellent job, boys and girls. I love the way you tried to solve that problem. Now let's look at the 2 problems that you're going to solve on your own today. You can either do this on a piece of paper, or you can print out the PDF that I've included in the plans and write directly on that. So here's our 2 problems for today. We have, this first problem, we have 5 kids and 3 bikes. How many bikes do we need? This is a lot like the whale problem we just did. Now let's look over here at the other problem. We need 5 kids for a basketball team. We have 4 kids. How many more kids do we need? So boys and girls, we're working on some really challenging problems today, but I know that you can apply all those great addition and subtraction skills that you've learned over the past couple weeks and figure out that answer. So remember, you can work this out on a sheet of paper or you can print the student work page. I can't wait to see what great answers you come up with. Love you. Mwah.